So here given expression is 5 multiplied by bracket 3 plus an inner bracket 6 divided by 2 bracket complete outer bracket complete minus 8. So this expression solved to the order of operation. How means answer this expression? So first will be solve. So first we solve the inner bracket in. So first will be solve BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule. B means bracket, orders, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So first will be inner bracket solve. So 5 multiply by bracket 3 plus 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So bracket inner bracket is completed. So outer bracket complete minus 8 and then again solve to the bracket. So 5 multiply by 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 minus 8. So final answer is 5 into 6. 5 multiplied by 6 is equal to 30 and minus 8 and final answer is how much? So 22. So this expression is correct method in solving example.